looking great.
Hey guys, welcome to Beginner Bits, and today I am going to show you how to transform your GitHub profile from this
to this, and of course beyond. So let's get started. First, create a repository with the exact name of your GitHub account. Let's create one. If you see this dialog box, you are on the right track. Make it public. Add a README file and create. Head over to the first website, link in the description. We get to choose from 3 templates here. I will choose the second one. Right click and delete or duplicate the items you want or don't want. Let's go with the image first. You need an image link or GIF link to add here. I will add a GIF. Copy any GIF link you want. Paste it in the image or GIF URL section. You can adjust the height and other things here. Let's edit the title. You can add your skills, programming skills, and increase or decrease the size and spacing. Same goes for the social media accounts. You can add links and you can also rearrange them. Now click generate README. Copy the code, go back to your repository, edit the README, and paste the code. Commit the changes. Check your profile. There's your new simple look. This is fine, but if you want to make it more attractive, let's move to the standard profile generator. This is the website for making standard README. Link in the description. Fill all your details here. Then click generate README. Now copy the code from copy markdown. Again, go to the repo and paste it here. Now check your profile. Wow, looks good, right? Now the final one. This is my favorite. Go to the third website, link is in the description. This is the website. First enter your GitHub account name here. Now add your about section. Adjust the settings to your preferences. Now copy the generated code and paste it in your repository. Now check your profile again. Amazing, isn't it? Now let's see the final result with a name and a profile photo. Looking great. If you have watched till now, here's the tip. If you don't like the About Me or any other section, you can customize it further with other codes. With this, you can create and customize your GitHub appearance.
So there you have it, 3 different ways to make your GitHub profile shine. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.